Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Slide Master so changes apply consistently. Go to View, choose Slide Master, and pick the main master or the exact layout you want to edit. Once open, inspect placeholders and existing graphics to know what to replace or hide. Make sure to save a version copy before altering masters so you can revert if needed. This initial step ensures you modify the source, not each slide one by one, which saves time and prevents layout drift across the deck. Once in the master view, select the graphic you want to remove or replace. Right-click and choose Change Picture to swap files or Delete to clear it. Then insert your new background or logo via Insert Right Arrow Pictures or Shapes and place it on the master so it appears on all linked slides. Make adjustments with Format Picture controls, resize, set transparency, or send to back, so content remains readable. This ensures consistent appearance, and that slide content layers correctly above the background. To finish, close Master View and scan several normal slides to confirm the new background appears and that text remains legible. Use Reset on any slide that carries local overrides. If some slides show unexpected images or misaligned graphics, return to Slide Master and tweak positions or layer order, then reapply the corrected layout to affected slides. One key troubleshooting tip: if a slide won't update, check for manually inserted images on that slide and delete them so the master background can show through.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.